Hi everyone, this is coming to you from Education for All. We are looking at composite functions. Finish the introduction. What are composite functions? Composite functions are just functions that are either more than one in number, is 2, 3, 4, and then you are asked to combine them and then solve them together. That's the meaning of composite functions. Here we have two functions here. You have f of g of x and you have g of x. So when you're given this type of functions, first you solve g of x before you come to f of g of x. Best way to explain this, let's look at a problem. If you have g of x equals 2x, we have g of x 2x plus 3, and then you have f of x equals x squared. Then you're asked to find g of fg of 2. You have to find fg of 2. This is a composite function. Now, fg of 2, this is 2, please. Yeah? So how do you solve this? First, as we said, you solve g of x. The outer one is what you solve first. So which means you solve g of 2. You first solve g of 2. So this is g of x. So you are solving g of 2. So first you solve this one, g of x, before you come now to solve f of g of x. So first you solve g of x. And what is g of x? G of x is this one here. So g of x now, which means you are going to solve g of 2, and this is equals to 2 times, you have 2 here, 2 plus 3, this gives you 4 plus 3, this gives you 7. So now you know what g of x is. So you're now going to solve f of g of x. So now going to solve f of, what is g of x? 7. But what is f of x? F of x is x squared. So which means you are solving for 7 squared. And this gives you 49. So this is your answer. Your answer is 49. So this is how you solve composite functions. Thank you for watching.